Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Daniel Mosemi. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you a secret website that you can use to make at least 5,000 naira for yourself daily, leveraging on their services, which is reselling data services and other VTU services. Like we all know that data reselling business, or let's say VTU business, is one of the lucrative business in Nigeria today because all our banks and financial sectors have ventured into this lucrative and uh, lucrative business. So it is ideal for us as an individual also to venture into this business to get our daily 2K from this business. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you a website that I use that you can leverage on to resell their services and make at least 5,000 naira for yourself every single day. Now, before we proceed, I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Line with Crown Tech. In this channel, all we do is to post content relating to web development, relating to marketing, and also how to make money online with your smartphone or your laptop. So if you are the type that are interested in content like this and you find our content valuable for you, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification in order to get notified anytime we post valuable videos that is going to interest you. Now let's move ahead to why we are here today, where I'll be showing you a secret website that you use to make money for yourself. Now let's go to my Chrome browser. Let's go to my Chrome browser. Now, the website I'm going to be showing us today is Smart Connect. I'm going to be dropping the login or registration link on the description of this video. So, it is very simple to get started. All you have to do is when you come to this website, using the login link or registration link, it's going to take you to this place depending on the link you create. This is the login dashboard, the login interface. So once you create an account, you can log in with your mobile number and your password. But let me walk you through how you can create an account with this website. Just click on create account. Once you click on create account, you are going to put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address. Then let's go, guys. Let me put in my details. An email address. I'll click on continue and it will take me to another page, which is this page. I'll select my state. I'll select a password. Let me select a strong password. Let me select a strong password. Let me use it. So I'll put a pin. I'll also put a 5-digit pin. Let's see. Then after that, this referral is optional. So you click on register and it says phone number and email already received. So in this case, I'm not going to be registering because I've registered on this website before. So all I'll just do is click on login now and log in with my details. So I'm going to be logging in. I'll put in my password to log into this website. So once I put in my password, I'll click on login and it is going to load and said login successful. So once it's login successful, it's going to take me to the dashboard, to my dashboard, to the dashboard of this website, my user dashboard. Now, once I log in, it's going to send a notification on my email that I just logged in. Now, let's check my email. We are going to find the notification. That's one thing about this website, is going to notify. So even though you did not log in and someone log in at your back, is going to notify you that a login notification that just initiated and someone just logged in. Can you see? I think this is 11:29 and this is it. Welcome back. You have successfully logged into your Smart Connect account at so date and so time. So you can see that's one of the amazing parts of using this website. So once you get to this place, if you don't have funds, you can click on deposit and fund your account. You have a lot of accounts. Once you fund this account, there will be a bank charge of 15 naira. Let's assume you fund 500 naira. Your account will be automatically credited with 450 naira. And we have the dynamic account that gives you one time payment account number, and this account number you can't use it two times. Let's assume I want to make fund of 500 naira. I'll just click on pay now. So once I click on pay now, it's going to load and give me the account number I am to pay into. So can you see? So once I copy this account number and I pay to it, I'll just come back to this place. I'll click on I have transferred the money, and once I click on it, my account is going to be credited. But meanwhile, this account number, I cannot use it again except I go and generate another one for the money I want to pay. But for the automatic funding, I can use, for this bank automatic funding, I can use all this account number anytime I want to use it, provided that it's been saved as beneficiary on my bank. So any of the two you want to use, they are okay. Then if you want to do the manual funding, you can come back to this place and do the manual funding. So once your account is being credited, you are going to see your money here. Like I said, I have 723 naira on my balance, and you can click here to put it to hide your account balance. Now here are the main services offered on this website, and one good thing about this website is it provides you with every week learning activities, which means it gives you videos, online videos or content that can help you day-to-day activities on how to make money online, or other content relating to your field of professionalism. So these are other services we have. Now let's say for example, I want to buy data. Just come here and select MTN. You select SME, and these are the price. Then say you can enter the number you want to. Let's say this is the number I want to use. I'll click on buy data. I'll click on continue. Now meanwhile, once you are creating your account, like the way I show you, you have to create your 5-digit pin. So here I'll just put in my own pin, then I'll click on continue. So once this is successful, it's going to tell me I purchased MTN 1 gig 30 days for this is so number. This is the amount I have. I bought it, and this the my old balance, and this is my new balance. Now, one thing about this and how you can make money from this is, let's assume you buy data for 270, you can actually resell it for a rate of 350. Now if you do the mathematics and calculate it, if you buy at 270 and you sell at 350, let's say 350 minus 270, you have a gain of 18 naira. Then let's assume you make this same transaction for 10 people, at least 10 people in a day, you have 800 naira, and you can do more than that in a day depending on your customer, depending on how much customer you have. Then we can come back to this place to perform other transaction. We have cable TV, electricity, exam pin. We have recharge e-pin, that is you can also buy airtime using, you can buy airtime recharge cards using this platform. We have bulk SMS, and we have airtime to cash. Then you can click on recharge pin. Let's say you want to make use of this recharge pin. You just enter your business name, then put in the network, let's say the price, how many are you. So can you see, or just click on purchase pin, click on this and click on your pin, your transaction pin. So once you do that, it's going to buy the recharge card, and can you see, and you can also click on view pins to view your pin. So can you see, so once you load this, it's going to what, it's going to works for you. So let me screenshot this so that I'll be able to use it later. So that's how you can leverage on this website to make money for yourself on a daily basis. So what you need to do now, since I have shown you the website, is to look for a customer that you sell to them, tell them the price you want to sell to them, fund your wallet and remove your gain. You can do that. You can make it your side hustle and make at least 5,000 naira on a daily basis. So let's look at other services we have here. Like I said, we have cable TV and others. We have airtime to cash. We have bulk SMS. You can send bulk SMS to your people on a day-to-day activities, and you can also render it as a service and make money from it. So this will come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video interesting. If you find this video interesting, kindly drop a comment on the comment section, and I'll be dropping the link of this website in the description of this video. Thank you once again and have a nice day.